unboxing and review of the Gentek, so I'll let you guys look at all the stuff here real quickly. I won't say it all. When you open up the magnetized area, hooks, earbuds. Right, let me open these up and show you what's inside. Gel ear tips here with the earbuds. I'll tell you how they sound now. Sorry about all the wind, but these sound pretty darn good. One sec, let me turn the flashlight. These sound pretty darn good. The wings will make it so you can run with them pretty easily on. They sound good, a little bit muffled, but in general, good. So, I'll need to do more thorough testing to give you full, actual sounds reviews, but, yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Live on Tech, and bye.